Friends, welcome back to Prashant's Knowledge Center. In this program, we will learn about the control flow statements in C language. First of all, let us know what are all the control flow statements and what is control flow statement means. In any programming language, control flow statement means the statement which specifies how the program execution flow to be controlled. In C language, there are three types of control flow statements. There is the conditional control statement or loop control statement and jump control statements. For easy understanding, this conditional control statement means we will give a condition. Based on the condition, if the condition is true or false, based on the condition, the statement will be executed. That is in short words to say about the conditional control statements. And in case of loop control statements, we will have a loop and we will write a source code in between the loop, and the program will be executed number of times, n number of times, until the condition in the loop is true. And next, jump statement means by using this jump control statement we can jump to any part of the program by using this statement. Let us see in detail about these three types of control statements with examples. First, we will see about the conditional control statements. In these conditional control statements, we will have if statement, if else statement, and conditional operator or ternary operator. In short, to say if else in short form, we will write the ternary operator. We will see syntax of each and every conditional control statement here. First, we will go to if statement. This is the syntax of if statement. For if statement, if we will have a condition and then we will open the braces and here we will write the source code. If the condition is true, then the source code written in between these brackets will be executed. Else, it will directly come out if the condition is false. In other words, if we use if else statement, this is the syntax for the if else statement. In this case, if the condition is true, then the statement written in between these two brackets in the if condition brackets will be executed. If it is false, directly it would go to else statement, and the statement or the source code written in between these two braces in the else function will be executed. And in short form of if else, we will use the ternary operator, and the syntax of this ternary operator is like this: condition question mark and then expression 1 and then expression 2 semicolon. Now we will see example of on each of these three statements, conditional control statements. Here I have written a small program to demonstrate about the if statement. Here these two are the header files as discussed in the earlier programs. We will write the header files and then we will open the main function, and then this is a clear screen to clear the previous output. And here I have declared two variables, that is integer type of variables. A I have assigned a value of 10 and B I have assigned a value of 15, and here I have written the statement. Up to here, this is the if statement. Here I have written if A greater than B. The condition is A greater than B. A is 10 and B is 15. Means A is not greater than B actually. But I have written the statement as if A greater than B. If it is true, then only it will go to this execution part. This source code will be executed. Else it will directly come out. Now we will see, we will run and see the program. In this case, the statement is not true. Let us see what happens. Whether it will go into the program or directly it will be terminated. We will run the program. Control F9. See, it is giving the blank. Means it is not going into the program. Here I will change the statement. If A less than B. Here the condition will become true. A is less than B. Means 10 is less than 15. Now that is true. Now it will go into the statement. Now we will run and see the program. See, the given statement is correct. Means in this case, if we write the if statement, if the condition is true, then only it is going into the source code, or else it is directly terminating. And we have seen the second example. If and else both, if we use, if a greater than b, I will write. If a greater than b, it will go here. Again I will write else, open the bracket. I will write printf else part is executed. I will write here. For easy understanding, I am writing this statement. Here I am writing if part is executed, and here I am writing else part is executed. See, as per the syntax, it is if condition is true, it will come here and this part will be executed. And if the condition is true, it will be terminated here only. And if the condition is not true, it will go to else part, and then this condition will be executed. As per the program, if a is greater than b, here a is not greater than b, so it will terminate and it will go to else, and this statement will be printed. See, we will execute the program and we will see. A is greater than b, I have given the condition. A is 10 and b is 15. So the condition is false. Now let us see what will be executed. See, else part is executed. Means the condition is not true. So else part is executed. Now here I will change the program. A less than b, that is true. Now he will see what happens. If part is executed. Like this, we can write a statement and we can have the conditional control statement. Like this, based on the condition, we can control the program. We will give the condition and we will control the program. And one more example, short form of this if else. We will write the ternary operator. We will use the ternary operator. Here I am assigning a 10 to the a value, number 10 to a, and number 15 to b, and declaring a variable c. Here I will write c equal to, I will write the condition a greater than b. If this condition is true, now the first expression will be executed, a plus b. Else colon, I will put a minus b semicolon. Here I will write printf percentile d. As I have declared variable c as integer, I am using percentile d. This is the program I am writing. Means if a is greater than b, means if 10 is greater than 15, if the condition is true, a and b both will be added up here. Else a will be b will be subtracted from a, and the value is stored in c, and in the next line the value of c will be printed. For example, here we will see a is 10 and b is 15. Means a greater than b, the condition is false. So now it will go to else loop. Means here a minus b. The answer for this is minus 5. We will see the answer. We will execute control F9. See, minus 5. Like this, the program will be executed. For example, I will write here a greater than b. A less than b. Previously also I have written a greater than b. Now I have written a less than b. A less than b, the condition is true. So both will be added up here. I'll run the program. 25. 10 plus 15 is 25. Like this, complete if and else part will be replaced by this ternary operator, and in a single line we can write the complete statement. This is all about the ternary operator. By this, in this class we have learnt about the conditional control statements, that is if statement, if else statement, and the short form of if else, that is ternary operator. In the next class we will learn about the loop control statements. Thank you friends. Keep watching Prashant's Knowledge Center and subscribe Prashant's Knowledge Center. Thank you.